Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into: the Tezos blockchain and its remarkable native token, XTX coin. In this video from cryptowichard, we'll explore the ins and outs of Tezos, discuss the unique features of XTX, and analyze its potential for the future. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Introduction to Tezos. But what sets Tezos apart is its unique governance mechanism, which distinguishes it from many other blockchain platforms. In traditional blockchain networks, protocol upgrades and changes are typically implemented through hard forks. However, Tezos takes a different approach by employing on-chain governance. In Tezos, token holders have the power to actively participate in the decision-making process regarding protocol upgrades. This is achieved through a formal voting system, where token holders can propose and vote on amendments to the network's protocol. Instead of relying on a select group of developers or miners to make decisions, Tezos empowers its community of token holders to shape the future of the platform. The on-chain governance mechanism of Tezos offers several advantages. Firstly, it promotes decentralization by ensuring that decisions are made collectively rather than by a central authority. This aligns with the core principles of blockchain technology, where power is distributed among network participants. On-chain governance enables a more efficient and streamlined process for implementing protocol upgrades. Instead of contentious hard forks that can lead to network fragmentation and conflicts of interest, Tezos allows for a smoother transition by integrating proposed changes directly into the existing blockchain through voting. The on-chain governance system encourages engagement and participation from token holders, as they have a direct stake in the decision-making process. This fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among the Tezos community, strengthening the network's overall resilience and long-term viability. It's important to note that the on-chain governance mechanism of Tezos is designed to strike a balance between inclusivity and efficiency. To prevent undue concentration of power, the protocol incorporates a liquid proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, where token holders can delegate their voting rights to bakers who actively participate in block validation. This ensures that smaller token holders can still have a say in governance decisions while maintaining network security. Tezos on-chain governance sets it apart from other blockchain platforms. By giving token holders the ability to propose and vote on protocol upgrades, Tezos empowers its community, promotes decentralization, and fosters a more efficient and inclusive decision-making process. This innovative approach solidifies Tezos' position as a leading blockchain platform and lays the foundation for the potential of its native token, XTX coin. Exploring Tezos' key features. Tezos stands out among blockchain platforms by offering a higher level of safety and security through a key feature called formal verification. Formal verification is a mathematical technique employed by Tezos to ensure that smart contracts are secure, reliable, and free from bugs or vulnerabilities. Unlike traditional software testing methods that rely on manual inspection or simulation, formal verification utilizes mathematical proofs to rigorously analyze the code and verify its correctness. This process involves mathematically modeling the smart contract and subjecting it to a series of logical checks and proofs. By subjecting smart contracts to formal verification, Tezos significantly reduces the risk of potential vulnerabilities or flaws in the code. It allows developers and auditors to identify and address potential issues before the smart contracts are deployed on the blockchain. This approach not only enhances the overall security of the platform but also instills trust and confidence in the Tezos ecosystem. The advantages of formal verification extend beyond security. It also helps in preventing unintended consequences or unexpected behavior of smart contracts. By thoroughly analyzing the code's logic and specifications, formal verification ensures that the smart contract performs as intended, minimizing the potential for undesirable outcomes or unintended loopholes. The use of formal verification in Tezos brings numerous benefits to both developers and users. Developers can rely on this technique to build robust and secure smart contracts, reducing the risk of hacks or exploits. For users, formal verification provides assurance that the smart contracts they interact with have undergone rigorous scrutiny and meet high standards of reliability and security. Formal verification contributes to the overall maturity and professionalism of the Tezos ecosystem. By promoting best practices and encouraging the adoption of formal verification techniques, Tezos establishes itself as a platform that prioritizes security and takes proactive measures to ensure the integrity of its smart contracts. Formal verification is a key feature of Tezos that sets it apart from other blockchain platforms. By employing mathematical proofs to analyze and validate smart contracts, Tezos enhances security, reduces the risk of vulnerabilities, and ensures reliable and bug-free execution of code. This commitment to safety and integrity reinforces Tezos' position as a leading blockchain platform and enhances the trust of developers and users in the ecosystem. The power of staking. Staking plays a crucial role in the Tezos ecosystem, not only as a means to secure the network but also as a powerful incentive for stakeholders to actively participate in the governance of the platform. In Tezos, staking involves actively participating in block validation, where token holders can delegate their staking rights or become bakers themselves. By staking their XTX tokens, individuals contribute to the validation and confirmation of transactions on the Tezos blockchain. This process helps maintain the network's integrity, security, and overall performance. Stakers, also known as bakers, are responsible for creating new blocks and adding them to the blockchain. Their participation is vital for achieving consensus and ensuring that the network functions smoothly. What sets Tezos apart is that staking goes beyond network security. Token holders who engage in staking activities are also rewarded with additional XTX tokens as an incentive. This unique system of staking rewards provides an attractive opportunity for stakeholders to not only support the network but also earn passive income in the form of additional XTX tokens. The rewards earned through staking are a direct result of the inflationary nature of the Tezos protocol. Instead of relying solely on transaction fees, new XTX tokens are periodically created and distributed among the stakers as a reward for their contribution to the network. This ensures that stakeholders are motivated to actively participate in the governance of Tezos, as their involvement is directly linked to financial benefits. The staking reward system in Tezos is designed to be fair and inclusive. It encourages token holders of all sizes to participate, as even smaller holders can delegate their staking rights to trusted bakers and still receive a proportional share of the rewards. This approach enhances decentralization and ensures that the governance of Tezos remains in the hands of a diverse and engaged community. By incentivizing stakeholders to actively participate in the governance of Tezos through staking, the platform fosters a strong and vibrant ecosystem. It encourages stakeholders to stay informed, vote on important protocol upgrades, and actively shape the direction of the platform. This unique system of staking rewards aligns the interests of token holders with the long-term success and growth of Tezos. Staking in Tezos is not only a mechanism to secure the network but also a way for token holders to earn additional XTX rewards. This innovative system incentivizes stakeholders to actively participate in the governance of Tezos, contributing to the platform's decentralization and long-term sustainability. Through staking, Tezos empowers its community to have a direct impact on the future development and success of the blockchain. Understanding baking and delegation. In Tezos, the process of block validation is known as baking, and individuals who undertake this responsibility are referred to as bakers. However, becoming a baker requires a significant amount of XTX tokens to be held as a security deposit. This ensures that bakers have a vested interest in maintaining the integrity and security of the network. Not everyone may have the necessary XTX tokens or the technical expertise to become a baker themselves. Fortunately, Tezos offers a solution called delegation. Delegation allows token holders to delegate their staking rights to a trusted baker of their choice, who will perform the baking process on their behalf. Delegation is a user-friendly and flexible approach that enables broader participation in the staking and governance processes of Tezos. By delegating their staking rights, token holders can still actively contribute to securing the network and earn staking rewards, even if they do not have the means or desire to become bakers themselves. The delegation process is straightforward. Token holders can select a baker or delegate service of their choice, typically through a user-friendly interface provided by wallets or delegation platforms. The chosen baker then takes on the responsibility of validating blocks on behalf of the delegators. It's important to note that delegating staking rights does not transfer ownership or control of the XTX tokens. Token holders retain full control over their assets, and their delegated tokens remain in their possession at all times. Delegation is simply an authorization for the chosen baker to represent the delegator in the block validation process. Delegating staking rights offers several advantages. It allows individuals with smaller amounts of XTX to participate in staking and earn rewards, leveraging the expertise and resources of experienced bakers. Delegators can select bakers based on their performance, reliability, and reputation within the Tezos community, ensuring a trusted and secure delegation process. Delegation contributes to the decentralization of the Tezos network. It encourages the distribution of staking power and governance influence among a wide range of stakeholders, preventing centralization and promoting a more inclusive ecosystem. Tezos provides the option for token holders to delegate their staking rights to trusted bakers if they are unable or prefer not to become bakers themselves. Delegation enables broader participation, enhances decentralization, and ensures that even smaller holders can actively contribute to the security and governance of the Tezos network while earning staking rewards. Benefits and potential of XTX coin. The XTX coin, as the native cryptocurrency of Tezos, offers several benefits and potential opportunities for token holders. One of the primary advantages of holding and staking XTX is the ability to earn additional tokens as rewards, which can create a passive income stream. Through the staking process, token holders who actively participate in block validation or delegate their staking rights can earn staking rewards in the form of additional XTX tokens. This incentivizes stakeholders to hold and stake their XTX, as it provides a tangible financial benefit for contributing to the security and governance of the Tezos network. The on-chain governance mechanism of Tezos makes XTX a symbol of democratic decision-making. Token holders have the power to propose and vote on protocol upgrades directly, without relying on centralized authorities or contentious hard forks. This decentralized governance structure ensures that the community has a voice in shaping the future of the blockchain. The ability for token holders to actively participate in governance not only provides a sense of ownership and influence but also contributes to the long-term sustainability and adaptability of Tezos. It allows for the incorporation of innovative ideas, consensus-driven decision-making, and the ability to respond to changing market needs in a more efficient and democratic manner. The on-chain governance of Tezos ensures that decision-making is transparent and accessible to all token holders. This fosters trust and confidence in the platform, as stakeholders can actively engage in the decision-making process, stay informed about proposed changes, and have a direct impact on the evolution of Tezos. As a result, XTX holds the potential for long-term value appreciation, as the active participation and engagement of the community contribute to the continued growth and development of the Tezos ecosystem. The combination of passive income through staking rewards and the opportunity to actively shape the future of the blockchain positions XTX as a compelling investment and participation asset. Holding and staking XTX offers benefits such as earning additional tokens as rewards, creating a passive income stream. Furthermore, the on-chain governance mechanism of Tezos empowers token holders to actively participate in decision-making, making XTX a symbol of democratic decision-making. These factors contribute to the potential long-term value and appeal of XTX as a cryptocurrency within the Tezos ecosystem. Real-world applications and partnerships. Tezos and the XTX coin have demonstrated their real-world applications and garnered significant partnerships across various industries. These partnerships highlight the versatility and potential adoption of the Tezos blockchain and the value of the XTX coin. Tezos has successfully established collaborations with renowned financial institutions, supply chain companies, and government entities. These partnerships showcase the trust and confidence that these organizations place in Tezos as a reliable and innovative blockchain platform. In the financial sector, Tezos has formed partnerships with institutions such as Société Générale, one of the largest banks in France. Société Générale has utilized Tezos to explore the potential of tokenized assets and digital securities. This collaboration not only demonstrates the interest of established financial institutions in leveraging Tezos but also showcases the platform's ability to cater to the needs of the financial industry. Tezos has forged partnerships with supply chain companies, such as Tokyo Group, to explore the implementation of blockchain technology in enhancing supply chain traceability and efficiency. The transparent and immutable nature of the Tezos blockchain provides an ideal foundation for ensuring the integrity and security of supply chain data. Tezos has established partnerships with government entities, including collaborations with the French government. The French National Railway Company, SNCF, has utilized Tezos to experiment with decentralized applications for ticket distribution and tracking. Such partnerships highlight the recognition and adoption of Tezos by governmental bodies, further validating its real-world potential. These high-profile partnerships not only showcase the adoption of Tezos but also contribute to the utility and value of the XTX coin. As more organizations leverage the Tezos blockchain and integrate XTX into their operations, the demand and utility of the XTX coin are likely to increase. The real-world applications and partnerships of Tezos and the adoption of the XTX coin across different industries signify the platform's potential for widespread adoption and its ability to address real-world challenges. These partnerships validate the scalability, security, and flexibility of the Tezos blockchain, further solidifying its position as a leading blockchain platform. Tezos has secured significant partnerships with financial institutions, supply chain companies, and government entities. These collaborations highlight the real-world applications and versatility of the Tezos blockchain and the potential adoption of the XTX coin. The trust and confidence placed by these high-profile partners signify the platform's potential for widespread adoption and its ability to drive innovation in various industries. Analyzing the future. When considering the future potential of the XTX coin, it's important to approach it with a comprehensive and informed perspective. As with any investment or emerging technology, there are several factors to consider, including market trends, technology advancements, and the overall outlook for Tezos and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Market trends play a significant role in the potential growth and adoption of cryptocurrencies. It's crucial to stay informed about the evolving regulatory landscape, market sentiment, and the broader trends impacting the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, keeping an eye on the developments and partnerships specific to Tezos can provide insights into its potential future adoption and utility. Technology advancements within the Tezos ecosystem also contribute to the future potential of the XTX coin. Monitoring the progress of the Tezos blockchain in terms of scalability, security enhancements, and the implementation of new features or upgrades is vital. Technological advancements can enhance the platform's capabilities and attract more users and developers, potentially driving the demand and value of the XTX coin. Understanding the overall outlook for Tezos and the cryptocurrency market is essential. Cryptocurrencies are a dynamic and evolving space, subject to market volatility and regulatory changes. It's important to consider the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves inherent risks, including price volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and potential security vulnerabilities. It's crucial to approach any investment in XTX or any cryptocurrency with caution, diversify your investment portfolio, and seek professional financial advice if needed. Conducting thorough research, staying informed about market trends, understanding the technological advancements, and assessing the overall outlook for Tezos and the cryptocurrency market are critical steps in evaluating the future potential of the XTX coin. In conclusion, while the XTX coin and Tezos demonstrate promising applications and partnerships, it's important to approach their future potential with careful consideration and diligence. Cryptocurrency investments carry risks, and investors should conduct their own research, stay informed about market trends, and assess the technological advancements and overall market outlook before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.